I'll give you a quick guided tour around the community so you feel at home. This is brand new for 2026, and it's going to be the community that allows me to work with a wider group of people into 2027 to help people to attract more clients, to close more business, and also get better results for their clients using technology. So you're in the right place just here. Now, on the homepage, you always get to log into the main feed, and this is a curation of all the different channels that you've got access to. You'll be able to see those on the left hand side. There's a burger menu on the mobile that you can click on to see this panel as well. There's also a couple of links just here as well. So there's a link if you want to work with me for me to build your website or community. There's a link there to my calendar, and you can also get into my WhatsApp channel as well. Now, there's a leaderboard as well. So if you do contribute to the community, there's a little bit of a leaderboard that's all set up, ready to go, and you can access that from the top menu just here. Now, I want to take you into my profile, which you can access in the top right-hand corner, either by clicking on your profile image or the blank circle if that's there, and then go into profile. And here is where I can make changes to my profile. So, for example, I can edit the profile photo. I can upload a photo just here. I can change my cover photo, and you don't even have to upload a photo. You can go into change photo, and you can actually go into stock images. And up here, you can just search for something that you want, and then you can find a nice stock image that you can use for your cover banner as well, just like that. And you can also update some more information about your profile as well. So if you want to leave a bit of information about you, maybe you want to put some website links in there or social media handles, you can do all of that sort of stuff on that screen. And anybody that visits your profile, they've got that information that you put in just down the side here, and they can see a bit more around the comments that I've made, the channels that I'm a part of, and any badges that I've earned and that sort of stuff. Top left hand corner, you can always get back to the home screen as well. So that's just a whistle stop tour of what this community platform looks like. And if you're talking to me about building your own community platform for your organization, it's what yours will start to look like as well.